Good day to my future employee and to my future agency. I'm Sarah Jane Puliga, 34 years old, married. I have one daughter and she is 13 years old. I live in Mawab, Davao de Oro. I have 6 siblings and I'm the third child of the family. I have work experience in working abroad as a DH in Malaysia. I know how to clean the house, taking care of the baby or children. I know how to cook simple dishes or a meal, and I know how to wash car. I decided to work back abroad to support my family here in the Philippines. Ma'am, sir, if you hire me, I will promise I will do my work properly, and I will treat your family as my own family too. Thank you.